Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best Winn Putter Grips is probably one of the most underrated upgrades you can make to your golf game. A good putter grip can significantly impact your feel, control, and ultimately, your score. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Winn Putter Grips for men, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you decide if they're the right choice to elevate your putting performance. Number 5. Winn Grips XL 2020 VSN Midsize Pistol Putter Grip. This is the new XL polymer grip. It features a unique hexagon pattern for superior feel and performance. You'll love the comfortable, tacky feel. The grip is designed to give you the best possible experience. It provides excellent feedback and control with every putt. It's a game changer. This grip feels great in your hands. The material is designed to provide a secure grip, even in wet conditions. You'll feel confident with every stroke. The grip has a .590-foot core. This size is ideal for most golfers. It provides a comfortable and secure feel. The grip weighs 77 grams. This weight is designed to provide a balanced feel. It helps you maintain control throughout your putting stroke. This is a mid-size pistol grip. It's a popular choice for golfers of all skill levels. It offers a comfortable and secure feel. What we like. This grip features an XL polymer material and a new hexagon pattern, providing an unmatched feel and performance. It offers a comfortable, tacky feel. If you are looking for a grip that enhances your feel and control on the greens, you should consider this one. What people say. The Winn grips are very tacky and provide a great feel. The grips are very comfortable. The grip is very easy to install. Number 4. Winn 2020 VSN Jumbo Lite Pistol Putter Grip. This is the new Jumbo Lite Pistol Putter Grip from Winn. It's designed for exceptional feel and performance on the green. The grip is made with XL polymer material. It features a unique hexagon pattern for a comfortable, tacky feel. The innovative design provides superior feedback. It helps you maintain a consistent grip pressure throughout your stroke. The Jumbo Lite Pistol Grip offers a comfortable, tacky feel. It enhances your control and confidence with every putt. This grip is available in multiple colors. It is the perfect upgrade for any golfer looking to improve their putting. What we like. This grip utilizes the XL polymer material with a new hexagon pattern for unmatched feel and performance. It offers a comfortable, tacky feel. If you prefer a larger grip profile for enhanced control and a lighter feel, this is the one for you. What people say. The Winn grips are very comfortable. The grips are very tacky and provide a great feel. The grips are easy to install. Number 3. Winn Grips XL 2020 VSN Midsize Pistol Putter Grip. Introducing the Winn Grips XL 2020 VSN Putter Grip. This grip is designed to enhance your putting performance. Made with XL polymer material, it offers a unique feel. The new hexagon pattern provides unmatched performance. Experience the comfortable and tacky feel of this grip. It provides excellent grip even in wet conditions, giving you confidence with every putt. This mid-size pistol grip has a core size of 0.590. It's designed to fit most putter shafts, making it easy to install. Weighing in at 77 grams, it offers a balanced feel. This weight helps to improve your putting stroke. The mid-size pistol design offers great control. It's a great choice for golfers looking to improve their putting game. What we like. This grip features an XL polymer material and a new hexagon pattern, providing an unmatched feel and performance. It offers a comfortable, tacky feel. If you are looking for a grip that enhances your feel and control on the greens, you should consider this one. What people say. The Winn grips are very tacky and provide a great feel. The grips are very comfortable. These grips feel great in my hands. Number 2. Winn Grips XL 2020 VSN Midsize Pistol Grip Black. Introducing the Winn Grips XL 2020 VSN. This grip is designed to enhance your putting performance. It's a great choice for golfers of all levels. Made with Excel polymer material, this grip offers an unmatched feel and performance. The unique material provides excellent feedback with every stroke. You'll love the difference. Featuring a new hexagon pattern, it provides a comfortable and tacky feel. This design ensures a secure grip, even in wet conditions. It will give you more confidence on the green. This is a mid-size grip with a core size of 0.590. The mid-size design provides added comfort and control. It's perfect for those who prefer a slightly larger grip. Weighing in at 77 grams, this grip offers a balanced feel. This weight helps to promote a smooth and consistent putting stroke. It's a great addition to any putter. What we like. This grip features an Excel polymer material and a new hexagon pattern, providing an unmatched feel and performance. It offers a comfortable, tacky feel. If you are looking for a grip that enhances your feel and control on the greens, you should consider this one. What people say. The Winn grips are very tacky and provide a great feel. The grips are very comfortable. The grips have a great feel and are very easy to install. Number 1. Winn Pro X 1.60 Super Jumbo Putter Grip. This is the Winn Pro X 1.60 Putter Grip. It's designed to enhance your putting performance. The grip offers a comfortable and secure feel. The Super Jumbo size provides excellent control. It helps to eliminate unwanted wrist movement during your stroke. This design promotes a more consistent putting motion. The paddle shape of the grip offers a stable feel. It helps golfers maintain a square club face. This feature improves accuracy on the greens. The grip utilizes Lite technology. This minimizes the overall weight of the grip. It provides a balanced feel for improved putting. Weighing in at 98 grams, it provides a substantial feel. This weight contributes to a smooth and controlled putting stroke. It's designed for optimal performance. What we like. This grip features a super jumbo size and a paddle shape, designed to minimize wrist movement during your stroke. It also utilizes Lite technology to minimize grip weight. If you like a larger grip and want to eliminate wrist movement, you should definitely check this out. What people say. This grip works well to quiet my hands and wrist to keep them locked in place to help keep putts on line. This grip is wide. It is exactly what I wanted, but check the measurements to be sure it is what you want. Exactly as advertised. This grip is huge and works perfectly for my hands. Easy to make long or short putter strokes. Easier to keep my putter from rotating during the stroke. Improved consistency of center face contact. Perfect. Rolling the ball better on my line. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.